There's a roadrunner. A yellow butterfly. There he goes. Where you going, boo boo? What you doing? Where you going so far? Come back to me. Alright, bye. Okay, bye. Looks pretty dead out there. But I know you got a fucking prey on. Yep, There you go. Also, that's my mountain right there. That's my Apu. It's my dragon. Look, there she goes. You see her? Get it. Get it. What are you getting for dinner? Bring me back some food too. I could eat some food. Shit, I could smoke some weed too. If you want to bring me some of that for sure. Let's go. I could use a Coca-Cola and some coffee. You want to get on that shit? Come on. Oh, shoot.